Here's your Andromeda. Not great. You've got the, like, it's like a frame. Hi. There's nothing in the middle. So I think what would be nice is on the approach when you drive in, to be able to see what's behind it, namely the tree hydrangea and whatever else you've got going in the beautiful yard you have. So I think, and also it's just very misshapen. It doesn't have even growth. So it's kind of a dramatic recommendation, but it's where all the tape is. So cut off at the tape, get rid of everything, including this guy here, because it's just sprawling and going, this way. Then this is your beautiful new growth. Here's your new shrub here. All this height here, beautiful. Well, not this, but all the stuff back there. New stuff will grow off of these because as it is here, random little bits and pieces here that haven't had a chance because of the light. So that'll take a while to bounce back, but it will. It'll be fine, and then you'll have a new shrub.